Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better.
Go.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Once a fellow met a fellow in a field of beans, said to a fellow, if a fellow asked a fellow, can a fellow tell a fellow what a fellow means? If cute cuddly cats could crunch coloured candy, what coloured candy would cute cuddly cats crunch? The best tongue twister is the tongue twister which twists the tongue best. The best tongue twisters are the tongue twisters which twist the tongues best.
That was that one. Yeah, it was.